You wouldn't leave shampoo in your hair, so why do it to your carpet? Whenever you use soapy or foamy products to clean your carpet, if you don't rinse them out, it's going to leave a sticky residue, which is going to cause dirt to attract and become discolored. The best way to find out if your spot cleaner is soapy or foamy is to just shake it up. If you see it or feel it suds or foam up, it's obviously soapy and it's going to cause problems.
Carpet spot cleaner. It's a non-soapy, non-foamy carpet spot cleaner designed specifically for pet owners. The reason we've designed this way so there's no soapy residue, no foamy solution in it, so it doesn't leave a soapy residue which causes all the black, brown spots you find typically in your carpet from your Resolves, your Spot Shot, your Wool Likes, your OxyCleans. There's no label in this bottle because we're going to do what we call a shake test, which is basically you see or hear of a spot cleaner that you want to try out or look into, do what we call the shake test. This basically is you shake it up and then you look here for your soapy residue. You'll notice you got some bubbles in there from shaking it, but it doesn't foam or suds up like you'll find with all the other cleaners. Like I said, we do call a shake test. Shake it up. If you see it, feel it, or hear it foam up, it's going to leave a residue. It's going to attract dirt and cause discolorations, those kind of problems.